वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविवसंपृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु ॐ शान्तिः 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 The Samhita, Parasannikarsha Samhita.
परसन्निकर्ष
संहिता
संहितायाम्
Iko Yanachi,
इको यणचि
Echo Yavaya,
एजो यवायवः
Ekapura Parayogo,
एकः पूर्वपरयोः
Engapanantati,
एकपदान्तादति
Akasavarne Dirgha,
अकस्सवर्णे
Vradhiradaic,
वृद्धिरादैः
Engunaha,
अदेगुणः
Atmaha,
आद्युः
Vridhirechi,
वृद्धिरेचि
Egi Pararupam,
एङ्गि
पररूपम
Shakandvadishkarupam Bhachyam,
रूपम वाच्यम
Oshtayogo Smateva,
ओष्ठयोः
समासेवा
Avoscha,
ओमांश्च
Ato Gune,
अतो गुणे
Omam Voscha Visa, last class.
Yeah.
Paribhasha also. You understand the Paribhasha?
For Homangosha.
So Omam Voscha Visa on Paribhasha. How Omam Voscha it is applied not Eti Utsu Visa.
Yeah, Visa.
So is it clear?
Yeah, ji.
So Vriddhi is Apavata to Guna, and for Vriddhi the Apavata is Pararupa, and for Pararupa Apavata is Eti Utsu, and it is Eti Utsu, it's Apavata to Pararupa. For Omangoscha, Eti Utsu will not apply, Omangoscha will apply. For that only the Paribhasha is right?
Yes, ji.
So up to that we have seen. Any doubt up to this?
No, ji.
Shall we move forward?
Yeah.
So now the next one is, what is the next one? Atogune.
Gune.
Yes,
Atogune.
Yes. Yeah, we have seen that.
we have seen that.
Yes, all the sutra we have seen, but
Yeah.
elaborately.
No,
Ataha.
not elaborately.
Yeah. Ataha, what is ataha? Ataha vibhakti.
Ashti.
Ataha, if it is shashti vibhakti. Okay, what does it, the rule say? This atogune. In the Sandhi chart,
Okay. When
Panchami.
it is
Panchami. Yeah, Panchami.
okay, it is shashti.
No.
It is not shashti.
Tanivata. Only. Right. The limits to right?
Okay, why it is not stani? One more reason can be given.
Because Purva Parayo is
Very
the
good. Purva Parayoho. It is under the Adhikaram Purva Para. It is Purva and Para. How can Ataha be the Shashti Vibhakti? Ataha is Purva. And what is Para?
the Guna letter.
Guna
Guna
letter.
letter. So then only Purva Para. Purva Parayoho Stane Kim Adeshaha. Kaha Adeshaha Bhavati?
Paravarana. Buddha Guna
Para.
letter.
Because Atogune comes under the topic Pararupa. And what is Para? Guna letter. So para, that is para guna letter. Guna letter, which is the para, the following, that will be the adesha. Where? In the place of what? Purva and para.
Purva Parayo.
Therefore, ataha what vibhakti? Panchami.
Panchami.
Gune is saptami.
Saptami.
So, ato gune, then how do you write the vritti for this? What is the vritti?
Padanta akara. Pare.
For vritti, can take the supapata, the gune.
157.
From the previous sutra, Usya Padanta, Usi Apadanta. What is Usya Padanta? You will see later. Apadanta comes as Sadhurti. That is important. Apadanta is in bold color, right?
Yeah, ji.
So that Apadanta comes as Sadhurti. You can see 97 it is given, right side.
Yeah.
Then very next sutra it comes as Anuvritti, Apadanta. Now, how do you write the vritti? You can say in your own words.
Padanta akarat.
Yes. Apadantat, karat, rasva,
Parasya Gune.
avarna.
Gune pare.
Rasva, avarnantat. Okay. Avarnanta, apadanta, avarnantat. Then,
Para letter is guna. So gune.
then how do you say? In Sanskritam.
Purva Parayo. Gune Pare.
Gune pare.
Gune pare.
So, apadanta, avarnantat, rasva, avarnanta. Avarna means you have to say rasva. Otherwise, you can say akara. Simply akara. Akara. Gune pare. Kim bhavati?
Purva Parayo Stane.
Pura parayogastane.
Pararupam.
Pararupaha adeshaha bhavati. Apadanta rasva avarna followed by puna. So, apadanta akarat parasya vartamanasya gune pare purva parayogastane pararupaha adeshaha bhavati. That is what it is given in the Sandhi chart in English. Now it is Sutra, Atau Gune. So for Atau Gune, you have to bring these words as anuvritti. What are the words? Samhitayam, important adhikara, topic, Purva Pariyogo,
Pararupam.
and Pararupam, and Apadanta.
Yes. Apadanta. Yes.
Achi and all comes as anuvritti, but it is not required. What is required, what is meaningful only should be brought in. Now we can see Ato Gune. Ataha, Panchami Vibhakti. Pratipadikam is At. Marut Shabdavat. Guna is Guna only. Akaranta Pullinga can take. Guna is Saptami Vibhakti. So Apadanta comes as anuvritti from the very previous sutra, Usya Padanta. Pararupam, Engi Pararupam. Achi comes as anuvritti, not required for this sutra, so don't worry. An important adhikara is Samhitaya, Ekaha Purva Pariyogo. So Apadantat Ataha, that is simple vritti. Apadantat Ataha Gune Purva Pariyogo Pararupam. They want to elaborate, we can elaborate. The missing words. Apadanta Akara Akara Gune Pare Purva Pariyogo Pararupa Adesha Bhavati. So now this sutra, that is, it is talking about only a Asra Akara, remember. Asra Akara followed by Guna letter. So, and Asra Akara is Apadanta. A plus A. A plus A or A plus O. A plus A. It is Apavada to what? Apavada to?
Savarna Dirgha.
It is Apadanta to Savarna Dirgha. It's Apadanta. It is Apavada to Guna Sandhi also.
Yeah.
Right? Guna being A, O. In the para letter, if it is A, Purva is Akara only, Rasva Akara. So A plus A will become A, but it will not happen. If it is Apadanta Akara, then it will be Apavada to Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. If other Guna letters A and O comes, then Guna will be the Adesha. That is, Guna means the Guna letter will be the Adesha, not Guna Sandhi. A plus A. Generally, what will happen? Vriddhi. Apavada to Vriddhi, not Guna. Sorry.
Yeah, Vriddhi.
Vriddhi. A plus A is I.
I.
That will not happen. A plus O is Au. Vriddhi. That will not happen. So, Apavada to Vriddhi Sandhi. Okay. So, now we can read. Aden Gunaha. Iti Anena. So, he is just giving the meaning of the word Guna. Guna we know Aden Gunaha 1, 1, 2. Iti Anena Akara Ekara Okara Nam Guna Sanya Bhavati. We know Akara Ekara Okara. That is Sanya Guna. Yadi Apadanta Akarat Paraha. After the Apadanta Akara. Guna Varnaha Ched. Purva Parayogo Ekarupaha Pararupaha Adesha Bhavati. Yata Pata. This is the example we have seen. Many times we have seen. Pat plus Shap plus Anti. A plus Sa will not become A. No Savarna Dirgha. Why? Shap, that is Pata. Pata plus Anti. A plus I is not Savarna Dirgha because Apadantar Akara followed by Guna letter A. Therefore, Pararupa Adeshaha Bhavati. Therefore, Patanti you get, not Patanti. Ityatra Apadanta Akarasya Akare Pare Purva Parayavastane Gunaha Ekadeshaha, that is Akaraha Vidiyate. Therefore, Savana Dirghasya Apavadaha Atra. Similarly, Vand plus Shap plus A, Vande. Here, Vand plus Shap, that is Vanda plus A plus A. Atra Apadanta Akarasya Ekare Pare Purva Parayavastane Gunaha, that is Ekaraha Vidiyate. A plus A. Vriddhi will happen, but Vriddhi will not happen. Why? Because Apadanta Akara. Therefore, Vriddhi Rechi iti sutrasya Apavadaha Bhavati. So, Ato Guna is Apavada to these two sutras, Savarna Dirgha and Vriddhi Sandhi. That you can know. Also, therefore, all these sutras are interconnected. Amarnath Okare Pare Udaharanani Shanti. There is no example, no problem. ज्ञातव्यम् अस्मिन् सूत्रे अतः इति अत् इति अस्य पञ्चमी एकवचनम् अस्ति। अत् इत्यत्र अपरकरणं कृतम् अस्ति। अतः तत्र केवलं तस्माकारस्य एव ग्रहणं क्रियते, आकारस्य न। अपरः सत्कालस्य मात्र तत्काल एव काल तत्काल स्वरः एव ग्रहणं। therefore आकारस्य प्रकरणं न भवति। Okay, then Kashika Vritti, they say this was Savanadika Sandhi, interesting. Apadantat iti vartate. Akara apadanta gune parataha purva prayogo sthane eko sambha. That is mistake sambha. Sthane padarupam ekadeshah bhavati. Example pachanti yachanti. Pachanti yajanti. Akasavane dirghasya avata. That already we have seen. Similarly, pache yaje ityatra vriddhirechi is vriddhihi prapnoti ataha iti kim yanti vanti. Gune iti kim apache ayaje. Apadanta ityeva dandagram vipagram. So he is saying that it is apavada to vriddhi sandhi. That's already we have seen. Okay. Just Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, very simple. Apadantat ataha gune pararupam ekadeshah. So this is done. Atogune is done. The next one, the next sutra. Next sutra coming back to eti edati utsu, that we have to see. Eti edati utsu. That is 6189. Eti edati utsu is apavada to
Pararupam.
Yengi para.
Priyagam Attika Sarva. You need to speak on Attika Sarva. Okay. Eti edati utsu. Now, what is eti? What is eti?
Yeti edati the in dhatus form.
How do you get the word eti?
E plus Shabd Guna will happen there.
Eti E plus Shabd. What is E?
E plus tip. In dhatu
sorry.
plus tip.
That means it is Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam only.
Ekavachanam.
Will it not happen for Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, Uttama Purusha?
Yeah, that's Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam is Yeshi, right?
Yeah, so eti means only Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Yeah.
It's not, doesn't include the Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha?
It includes all forms, I think.
Then how eti is in dhatu tip? It is the dhatu nirdesha. Remember, eti means talks about the dhatu nirdesha. Remember dhatu nirdesha?
Mm-hmm.
What is dhatu nirdesha? That is, if we want to talk about a dhatu, but the dhatu alone,
Mm-hmm.
the dhatu you want to refer to, and the dhatu, when you want to refer to that in a language, the vibhaktis of the dhatu you have to use, right? So the dhatu Like for example, in Mundaka Upanishad and Kathopanishad we have seen Upanipurvasya Sadehe Dhatoho Vip Pratyaya Bhavati, right?
Mhm.
Sadehe Dhatoho Viddhi Saddhatu Sadehe Dhatoho. So, to the Sad Dhatu we say Sadehe is a Dhatu. Sad is a Dhatu. To the Sad Dhatu, Dhatoho what vibhakti? Upanipurvasya Sadehe Dhatoho Vip Pratyaya Bhavati when you say. Sadehe Dhatoho is could be it could be Panchami or
Shashti.
Shashti, right? It is Shashti, Dhatu. So could be Panchami or Shashti. Therefore, that Sadehe must be Panchami or Shashti vibhakti. Then how can you decline the Dhatu? Shadul Dhatu, how it is declinable? That is declinable by making the Dhatu by adding the Pratyas. Pratyas, ik or stip. Remember, we saw this. By adding ik or stip,
Yeah.
can refer to that dhatu in terms of the noun. The dhatu becomes a noun for use in the language, right? So the dhatu
Pratipadam.
is converted to Kriya Padam, it is used in the language, that is different. Okay, that is Kriya Padam. But the dhatu I want to refer to in the language, like the Rama is referred to in the language by what? By the Rama Shabda. Ramasya, Rame, Ramayogo, Ramat. Similarly, dhatu also have to be used. I want to say this pratyaya is added after this dhatu. After this dhatu. So Panchami Vibhakti. So therefore, the dhatu also must be declinable. Understand? Then only you can say this pratyaya is added after the dhatu. So for that we add the pratyaya, ik pratyaya or stip pratyaya to convert the dhatu into a pratipadikam so that it can be declined and can be used in the language to refer to the dhatus, to refer to the karyam which the dhatu undergoes. Is it clear?
Yeah. That's called Dhatu Nirdesha.
That's called dhatu nirdesha. Yes.
Okay.
I'll explain this in some other context. Dhatu nirdesha.
Yes, yes, we
Eti,
have
when
seen
you
this
say,
sutra also.
This
huh?
sutra.
We have seen this sutra also.
Yes, we have seen this also. We have seen this sutra, but I'm not sure about this. Maybe
Which
Yeah, we
which
talked about
sutra?
the Nirdesha also. Yeah.
Which sutra this comes?
this maybe in the sutra at the end it may come. I don't know, but we have seen under some.
No, under this only Sharanji. We have
Okay,
seen this.
we have
Yeah.
seen it under this. Okay. I've given this example many times.
Yes.
Oh,
Dhato.
yes.
Yes.
ஆமா எழுதியிருக்கேன்.
So that is you can create Adipadikam from a dhatu by adding this pratyaya, ik pratyaya, ashtip pratyaya, which is not there in the sutra pata. Which is not there in the sutra pata. These pratyayas are outside the sutra pata. Adding this pratyaya, you will get a pratipadikam of the dhatu. And if you want to refer to that in any vibhakti, you can do. So referring to that dhatu. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
In the grammar, we need in the grammar, when in the language, we need only Kriya Pada. What about in the grammar? In the grammar, you are adding the dhatu, you are adding the pratyaya to the dhatu, right? So pratyaya, okay, how do you say in Sanskrita? In Sanskrita Vakya, how do you say? Pratyaya comes after the dhatu. How do you say it?
Dhatu parasya. Yeah.
Not dhatu parasya. Dhatoho
Panchami. We should use the Panchami.
Panchami or Shashti. Dhatoho parasya. Or whatever. Dhatoho. धातोः प्रत्ययः भवति धातोः परस्य प्रत्ययः भवति पंचमी धातोः आफ्टर द धातु किं भवति प्रत्ययः भवति धातोः परस्य तिप् प्रत्ययः भवति भूधातु अस्ति भूधातुः अस्ति भूधातोः तिप् प्रत्ययः भवति तिप् सार्वधातुक प्रत्ययः भवति अतः शप् प्रत्ययः भवति कुत्र भवति शप् प्रत्ययः
धातोः परे
परस्य
धातोः परस्य धातोः what विभक्ति धातोः पंचमी धातोः suppose if the dhatu is bhu dhatu how do you say bhu dhatoh parasya you can say that is different I don't want that I want you to say the dhatu to be a visheshana to be visheshya dhatu word dhatu bhu dhatu has to be a visheshana to the very word dhatu. The dhatu is visheshyam. How do you say it then? You can say bhu can be converted to a pratipadikam by adding stip pratyay bhavati.
Bhavati.
Now you can say bhavatehe dhatoho
Okay.
bhavatehe dhatoho shap pratyaya bhavati. You can say yes or no?
Yeah.
Bhu plus stip pratyaya will happen, it will become bhavati. This bhavati is not prathama purusha ekavachana.
The Pratipadikam.
It is the pratipadikam. Okay. I will type this example. Type. The same thing only Bhashyakara in Mundaka Upanishad he has said, he has used sadege. There it is sad dhatu. And so the dhatu has taken
screen.
pratyaya to be ik pratyaya. Yeah.
The typing,
So we
Sharon,
can't
that
see the
screen is
screen,
not.
sir.
Yeah, I'm not yet I'm going to type. Open the word file. The pratyaya which can be added to the dhatu to make it into a pratipadikam is ik or stip. Already I have said this, I remember.
SG.
SG.
Yes, Ji.
Add any of this pratyaya. Now take the Buddha, our example. So the Buddha to, suppose we want to say to the Buddha to add the tip pratyaya. Buddha to ho tip pratyaya bhavati and bu also to be made into a visheshana, separate padam. Then the bu has to be converted to a pratipadikam. Bhavatehe dhatoho shap pratyaya bhavati. How you get bhavatehe? That is, bu is a dhatu. This dhatu now can be converted to a pratipadikam either by adding ik or by adding stip. Stip pratyaya. What is stip pratyaya? Stip is pratyaya. Therefore, bu will shap will come. So bu plus shap plus stip. Stip is stip. Stip is stip. So bu plus shap will become bhava, right? Bhava plus stip will become
Bhavati.
bhavati. So bhavati is what now?
Pratipadikam.
Remember, pratipadikam. It is not a dhatu.
The
Yes, stip pratyaya. Stip pratyaya or converting dhatu to pratipadikam. Bhavati is ikaranta shabda. You can decline like hari shabda. Bhavati ki bhavati, bhavatayah. Right? So you can decline. So, bhavatehe is panchami. Bhavatehe dhatoho tip pratyaya bhavati. Here. After the bhavati dhatu, that is bhu dhatu and bhavati dhatu. After the bhu dhatu, bhavatehe means bhavatehe is equal to bhu. The form of bhu in panchami, that is bhavatehe. पंचमी रूप भूधातोः पंचमी रूपम भवतेः क्लियर
Yes, Jaya.
Yes, Ji.
भूधातोः पंचमी रूपम भवतेः भवतेः now भवतेः is विशेषणं to the विशेष्य धातोः right so भवतेः धातोः प्रत्ययः भवति same way shadlu is a dhatu you know the meaning visharana prasadana gati meaning this is a dhatu from which the word Upanishad has come. The content of the dhatu is sad dhatu and Bhashikara uses this dhatu. Sad dhatu can be converted to a pratipadikam by adding ik pratyaya. You can use ik or stip, your choice. Bhashikara uses ik, it is his choice. Sad plus ik will become
Sati.
Sadi.
sadi. Now what is sadi now? It is pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam.
Now what is panchami of sadi?
Sadehi.
Sadehe.
Sadehe.
Oh. Sadehe dhatoho pratyaya bhavati. Meaning is to the sad dhatu pratyaya is added. So sadehe refer to the sad dhatu. Sad dhatoho panchami rupam sadehe. This is called Bhattanadesha. Ik step is called Bhattanadesha. Similarly, in this sutta, eti, the word eti, that is in dhatu, in is a dhatu, whose content is e only. Second gana dhatu. In plus, you can use stip, satyaya. What will happen? In plus stip will become,
Eti.
E plus T only.
it will become a,
Yeah.
eti.
Okay.
So eti is a pratipadikam. That is what he uses, referring to the in dhatu. Therefore, eti refers to the in dhatu. In dhatu whose form begins with a. The form of the in dhatu which begins with the letter a. That is what it means in sutra. Here.
Yes, Jaya.
Yes.
So eti doesn't mean only prathama purusha ekavachana. Eti refers to the in dhatu, and the in dhatu beginning with the letter, the form of the in dhatu beginning with ekara. That is eti, yeshi, yemi, or any other form if it is there. All can be included. That is the meaning. Okay. So if it is only prathama purusha ekavachanam, for that only the sutra is there? No. It is for all forms of the dhatu. So therefore, eti, edati, utsu. Eti is a one dhatu, in dhatu. Edati is again another dhatu. What dhatu? Edr dhatu. Okay.
How this Ashi will come, Ji? For
Huh?
how this Ashi will come? What pratyaya will be adding for Ashi?
Yeshi is Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam.
No. You told that that also will be considered as a pratipadikam, no?
No, I didn't say confirm.
No. Okay.
No.
Higher. Okay.
I didn't say that. I said eti referring to the in dhatu in the sutra. It means the form of the dhatu beginning with a. It means it can bring Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. Other forms also, if it begins with ekara, it will bring in. That is what I said.
Okay. It's not the
Yeshi, yemi,
pratipadikam. Okay.
all these things can come
Okay.
because of the word eti.
Okay.
Edati is another dhatu, edr dhatu. So, therefore, eti means in dhatu. Forms of in dhatu. Edati, the forms of edr dhatu. So, two dhatu forms are talked about in the sutra. And utsu is another one. That, don't worry about it now. You will see that later. Now we can see the sutra. Eti, edati, utsu. Utsu is the dhatu. Utsu is the dhatu. Therefore, Saptami Bahuvachana. What is the anuvritti, important anuvritti? Vritti. Because 80 also is 6189. It follows the Vritti Sutra 6188. Therefore, Vritti is the Adesha, that is Vritti is Vritti is what going to happen. And what are the other words? Then At. At Gunaha, from At you have to bring in At Gunaha. That is enough. Samhitayam Purva Pareho, important Adhikara Sutra. So now the complete sutra is At Eti Edati Utsu Purva Pareho Vriddhi Adesha Bhavati. That is, At is Avarnat. At stands for Avarnat. Akara as well as Akara. Avarnat Parasya. Now you see the Vriddhi, Sutrartha. In Dhatoho, Yed Dhatoho, in Dhatoho, Yed Dhatoho, H Varne Pare. That is important. The forms of the in Dhatu, Yed Dhatu, H Varne Pare. That is beginning with H letter. H letter is A, O, I, O. So you have to take the in Dhatu whose form beginning with A. It can only begin with A or maximum I. If it undergoes Vriddhi. If it undergoes Vriddhi, you have to bring in I. It can't be O. O cannot come here. Similarly, Edr Dhatu also. The forms of the Edr Dhatu which begin with H Varna. Either A or I. H Varne Pade. Kata Oot. Oot is a Shabda. Oot Pade. Purva Prayogastane Vriddhi Adesha Bhavati. So, Avarna followed by the forms of in Dhatu or form of the Edr Dhatu which begin with H letter. So, A plus A, what will happen A plus A? A plus A or A plus I, A plus O or A plus O, what will happen?
Vriddhi will happen.
Vriddhi will happen. Anyway, this Vriddhi is going to happen.
Vriddhi.
By the previous sutra, Vriddhi Rechi. Then why you should specify this sutra? What is the need? What is the need for this sutra? Anyway, it is covered by 6188, the Vriddhi Sutra, previous sutra.
Apavada to 6194.
Very good. What is 6194?
Engi Pararupam.
Therefore, it is required. What is Engi Pararupam says? If A letter follows, Yang means what? A and O. A and O follows. Follows what? Follows what?
At.
At is,
Avarnath. Avarnath.
At is
Upasargat. Upasarga. Varna Upasargat.
Avarna Upasarga.
Okay.
Yeah. Yengi Pararupam is Avarna Upasargat, right?
Yeah, Yengi. Yes, Yang follows. Avarnanta Upasarga. Okay.
Upasargat.
Okay. Okay.
Upasarga ending with A. That's
Yeah.
right. So,
Yeah.
the examples. Shraddha Bhakti, Jnana Yoga, Avehi and all. Right. So, therefore, there, what happens? Pararupam happens. Pararupam happens when our avarna of the upasarga. Whatever the avarna is, that much is required. That is akara, rasvakara, followed by Yang letter. A plus A, if the condition is there or not, is there in Yengi Pararupam. Right?
Yeah.
What happens? A plus A in Yengi Pararupam. A is the Adesha.
Yeah.
That's what we have to say. Here also, it is A is A and O because A.
Following letter is A. Yeah.
The forms of Indhatu we say, which begins with A,
Yeah.
A or I. Therefore, that Yengi Pararupam, that also is covered here. Therefore, it is Apavada. If it is covered by Yengi Pararupam, then the sutra is not required. But the sutra is required because Vritti is going to happen, not Pararupam. Therefore, this sutra is important. It is required. Apavada to Pararupam. Clear?
Yes.
Here, this Avarna is followed by the forms of H forms of Ejadi forms of in dhatu, edr dhatu. That possibility is covered in the engi pararupa. And that this undergoes vriddhi, whereas that undergoes pararupam. Therefore, this you have to specify it. Therefore, it becomes apavada to pararupam. Okay, that is why the sutra is there. Otherwise, why the sutra is there? It is typically for in dhatu. Whereas engi pararupam is not. It is for any dhatu whose form begins with eng. Here it is specific for in dhatu, forms of in dhatu, which begins with H. Edr dhatu also, right? Therefore, vriddhi adesha bhavati. यदि अकारात् आकारात् परः इन धातोः एकारादि ऐकारादि ओकारादि औकारि रूपम् आगच्छति. In dhatu cannot have okara. Okay, it's not possible. If possible is ekaradi or ekaradi. अथवा एद्र धातोः एकारादि ऐकारादि ओकारादि औकारादि रूपम् आगच्छति. Here also a can be, edr can be a or I. Only two are possible. अथवा ऊट इति अयं शब्दः आगच्छति. Út, the particular shabda út comes. When this follows the akara, avarna, then vriddhi, avarna, not akara, avarna, then vriddhi ekadesha bhavati. Example, upa plus eti, upaiti. Upa plus ehi, see, upa plus eti, upa plus ehi. You compare this both. What do you understand? Upa plus eti, eti is the form of in dhatu, right? Therefore, vriddhi will happen. Upa plus ehi,
Their pararupam will happen.
why? Because
That's because engi pararupam. That is the upasarga.
yeah, ehi is, it is actually ehi is covered by the Omangostra is pararupam only, right? It has got the upasarga ang is there.
Yeah, that is for
Ang
ang
upasarga
upasarga.
in dhatu.
Okay.
So that is covered by Omangostra, that pararupa sandhi. So upa plus eki will become upaiti, upa plus egi will become upeki.
Pehi. Okay.
That egi has got the in dhatu, but ang upasarga is there. It doesn't begin with H letter. In the form of in dhatu doesn't begin with H letter. Why? Because the ang upasarga is there in the word ehi. Therefore, pararupam will apply there, and here eti being the form of in dhatu, prathama purusha ekavachanam, natlakare prathama purusha ekavachana rupam in dhatoho eti bhavati. Therefore, upa plus eti is upaiti. Is it clear?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
So
Yes.
if you know the purva and para, what is the engi pararupam, you need to understand. Then only you will understand this. So, upa plus eti, back to vriddhi. What was supposed to apply, that is pararupam, it is negated by this sutra. Again back to vriddhi. When apavada itself is negated, then it will come to utsarga being vriddhi. Therefore, vriddhi sandhi. Similarly, pra plus edate, praidate. Here also, akara, ekara yoga, vriddhi adesham bhavati. Okay. The hook part I am leaving it out now. We will see that later. Now, atra kanichana vartikani gyatavyani. The word akshauhini is interesting. Aksha plus uhini, a plus u. What sandhi will happen generally?
Guna.
It should be akshauhini.
Ohini.
Akshauhini. So a plus u, what has happened? Both are
Vidhi has happened.
letter au. So therefore, the Vartikakara says, Akshat uhinyam upasankhyanam. Aksha shabdat uhinyam be added. This also to be added. Aksha plus Ogini will become Aksha Ogini. Ityatra Gunam Bharitva, A plus U is Guna. Therefore, Gunam Bharitva, negating the Guna Sandhi, Diki Bhavati. So therefore, but Patikara says that. Okay. And there Nattum happens, for that Nattum is giving the Sutra, Purva Padat Sanyaya, that is not required. Nattum, how it happens, it says. Then the next one. Swadhi Renyoho. Here, Swad is a letter. Swad is a letter. Swad is Panchami of Swa. Irini. Two words are there. All these Vartika are for particular words. Okay. These Vartikas are for particular words. Where it is, Panay Maharshi doesn't mention that. Vartikara says, since these words are there in the language, this also should be specified, he says. That is Aksha plus Ugini is Apavada. So, Guna Apavada, therefore it should be mentioned. The one word, Panay Maharshi doesn't want to write Sutra. Therefore, he just just passes out that. He doesn't mention about that. Aksha Ugini. For one word, one sutra is required, not required. Vatikara, he says that also to be mentioned. Anyway, so now Swa is Swa Shabdat. Ira, Irini, iti Shabdayoho. Paryoho. If Swa is followed by Ira or Irini, A plus E, Guna will happen, but here Vriddhi will happen. So it is Guna Apavada Sutra, Apavada Vartika. So Swa plus Iraha becomes Svairaha, not Sveraha, not Guna. Similarly, Swa plus Irini becomes Svairini. It is not Svairini, Vriddhi will happen. The next one is Radu Hodod Yeshu. That is Pra is Pra Upasarga. Pra is followed by Uha, Uda, Udi, Yesha, Yeshi. If this follows, then also Vriddhi will happen. You can see Pra plus U or Pra plus Ye. Pra plus Ye you will see. Pra plus U will become Guna, but Vriddhi will happen. Therefore, comes under Vriddhi Sandhi. Pra upasargat parasya yetesham shabdanam vriddhihi ekadesha bhavati. Uha, pra plus uha. It is not proha, it is prauga. Gunapavada. Pra plus uda becomes prauda. Again, guna apavada. Pra plus udi, praudihi, guna apavada. Pra plus yesha. It is interesting. Pra plus yesha. Here, pra plus yesha is, pra is upasarga. Yesha, it is followed by the word beginning with yang letter.
Yang.
So Pararupa must apply, right?
Yeah, correct.
But that doesn't apply. What applies is Vriddhi Sandhi. Therefore,
Vriddhi only.
Engi Pararupam, Praishaha. Similarly, Yeshyaha also becomes Praishyaha, Apavada to Engi Pararupam. So these are the words in this Vartikam. Uga, Uda, Udi, Yesha, Yeshyeshu. These three are Apavada to Guna, Yesha, Yeshyeshu, Apavada to Pararupam. Okay. All these are just not so important. Just we know it is there, but it is not. Triteya Tritiya Samase. Here it's very particular for the Tritiya Samasa. Tritiya Samasa is in the case of Tritiya, Purusha Samasa. There, Tritiya Samase, the word Ritaha, which ends with Akara, followed by Rita Shabde Pare. If Rita Shabda follows the Akara, sorry, other way, Rita Shabdaha Pare, Rita Shabda follows what? Akara. And if it is a compound, what compound? It is Tritiya Samasa. then vriddhi will be the adesha. How? Example, Sukena Ritaha. Ritaha, the word follows the word Sukha. Sukha, the word ends with Akara. So Sukha plus Rita, what will happen? A plus Ru. Generally,
Guna.
what will happen? Guna will happen. It must be Sukartaha. But here, Vriddhi will happen. Sukhartaha. If it is the Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. Otherwise, no. If the Vigraha Vakya for this compound is Tritiya, then only Vriddhi will happen. Otherwise, no. Sukena Ritaha asmin arte Sukha plus Rita iti Tritiya Tatpurushaha bhavati. Therefore, A plus R atra gunam baditva anena vartikena Vriddhihi ekadesham krutva Sukha plus Artaha. Right? Sukartaha iti rupam jayate. Atra akara rikar yogo Vriddhihi ekadeshasya rupena Raparaha akaraha agacchati. Okay. Plus will be replaced by R. That is the sutra. If it is for Tritiya, if it is Tritiya Tatpurusha, that is important. If other Vigraha is possible, then it will not come. Then it will, Guna only will happen. That's what it says. Tritiya Samasaha nasti chet Gunaha ekadeshaha eva bhavati yata paramascha asovritascha paramartaha paramascha asov Ritascha paramartaha. Here it is karmadaraya samasa. So because it is karmadaraya samasa, therefore guna only happens, vriddhi doesn't happen. Okay. This is one thing. The next article. There also Pada, Vatsara, Kambala, Vasana, Rina, Dashanam, Rine. All these are specific words. Vatsara, Kambala, Vasana, Rina, Dasha, Ekesham, Shabdanam, Rina Shabdipali. If these words are followed by the word Rina, then what will happen? Then Gunam Baditva. Vatsara, Kambala, Vasana, Rina, Dasha, all these words end with the letter Akara, followed by the word Rina. A plus R will become Guna. That will be negated. That is negated and Vriddhi will be there, the Adesha. That is what the example is. Simple. Pra plus Rinam, Prarnam, not Prarnam. Similarly, Vatsatararnam, Kambalarnam and all. These words will come very rarely. Anyway, it comes when we can know. This is by this sutra. Dasharna means Nadi. It's a good word. Dasharna, the word for Nadi. Dasharna. Okay. Now, the Dhatu Nirdesha he explains that, which I already said just before this sutra. Asya sutra sivishye ete bindavah smartavya. These points have to be remembered. What are they? Eti iti anena indatoho nirdeshaka kriyate. By the word eti, don't think it is prathama purusha ekavachanam alone. Because indatu is nirdeshaka, is specified, is mentioned by the word eti. By the word eti, what is mentioned is indatu. Forms of indatu, not just pratham purusha ekavachan. Tatacha edati iti anena ed dhatoho nirdeshaka kriyate. Ed dhatu is specified by the form edati. Ikshtipo dhatu nirdeshe. That's what the dhatu nirdesha. Dhatu can be mentioned, can be specified by adding this pratyas ik and shtip. Ikshtipo dhatu nirdeshe iti anena. This is not a sutra. This is not the sutra. Iti anena atra shtip pratyam prayujya dhatu nirdesho krutau staha. By adding the shtip pratyaya, dhatu nirdesha is done here. Avarnath, understand this dhatu nirdesha?
Yes, Jiya.
Yes,
Yes,
yeah.
So remember this. Ikar.
Yeah.
Now avarnantat upasargat paraha. In dhatoho, ed dhatoho, ejadau rupe pare. Ejadi rupa, the forms of these dhatu begins with H letter. Pare, engi pararupam iti anena vasutaha pararupaha ekadeshaka prapyate. Pararupa only is obtained by this. Tasya apavada rupena vartamana sutrena vriddhihi ekadeshaka vidiyate. Therefore, apavada to that is this vriddhi sutra. Apavada to apavada is utsarga. Right? Enemy of the enemy is what? Friend. The same logic. Avarnat paraha ut shabde pare. Ad gunaha iti anena gunash adeshaha prapyate. For the ut shabda. Avarna followed by ut shabda guna will happen, but here it is apavada rupena vriddhihi adeshaha bhavati. That's what he says, the third point. Fourth point, in dhatoho ed dhatoho kevalam ejadi rupeshu pareshu eva asya sutrasya prasaktihi asti. Anyeshu rupeshu pareshu na. Important. The forms of in dhatu ed dhatu which begins with H letter. Then only this sutra is applicable. Not for the other forms. Because the in dhatu has got other forms. There it don't apply. Even the very word in also cannot be applied. What is the kridanta rupa, ta pratyaya form of the dhatu in? Ta pratyaya form of in dhatu. In dhatu plus ta pratyaya.
It.
With in dhatu plus ta pratyaya, I'm saying. Ta pratyaya. Krit pratyaya. Ta pratyaya. Dharma kshetre kurukshetre. Samavetaha. What is samavetaha? We have seen that. The Gita, Vesha, the class also. This shloka also. Gita grammar. Sam plus samavetaha. Sam plus plus in plus ta pratyaya. Right? Samavetaha. Any doubt? Understand? No. Is my audio clear? Don't know.
Yes, Ji. Yeah. It's
No,
clear,
it's
but
right.
we are
It's
thinking.
right. Why guna happens?
I'm not saying guna happen. Did I say that?
No, why E become A?
Huh? Sorry?
Why did E become A? I'm just thinking.
Some plus our plus
No,
in
I'm not
plus
saying
the.
he becomes a. Where did I say that? I'm asking what is the form of the in dhatu when you add a ta pratyaya. What is the form I'm asking? For that, I'm giving the example Dharma kshetra, Kurukshetra.
Yeah, our plus e become a. Okay, eta.
That is okay. That is sandhi.
Yeah.
Yes, that is sandhi.
In dhatu plus ta pratyaya will become eta only, right? Then.
Eta. Okay.
No, okay. Our with our person, okay. Ita, then that is ita only, right?
Ita only. That's what I want to say.
Yeah, ita.
See, I'm writing the samavetaha.
Yeah. Sama plus our, some plus our plus in plus ta.
Sam plus tava is samava.
Then a plus e, then
E plus ta is what? What is the form? E plus ta.
ita only. Just ita.
Ita only, right?
Okay.
What is E? E is in dhatu. The form dhatu which begins with E only.
Even, yeah.
Not H. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
So, samava plus E. Ita will become A plus E.
Samaved. Yeah. Samaved.
E plus Ka pratyaya. Samaveta. And you can decline this Samaveta, Samaveta, Samaveta. My question is E plus Ka pratyaya.
Ita only. Okay.
So now, Avarna followed by Ita. What will apply? Will be our Guna or what?
Guna.
Guna only, right?
Yeah, guna.
Avarna, example is, this is an example. Plus.
Yeah.
Word is an example. So even though here the dhatu is in dhatu, but it doesn't begin with H letter. So therefore, that's what he says in there, next bindu.
Okay.
In dhatoho, yed dhatoho, kevalam ejadi rupeshu pareshu eva asya sutrasya prasaktihi asti. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, G.
अस्य सूत्रस्य प्रसक्तिः तथा भवति एजादिरूपेषु पदेषु इन्दातोः एदधातोः. Forms of indatu or edadatu beginning with H letter, then only this sutra is applied. Anyeshu pareshu na. With
Okay.
form, it is not applied. Yatha indatoho latlakarasya pratama purushaha pratama purusha rupam itaha iti asya vishaye upa plus itaha. What will happen upa plus itaha? Vriddhi or guna?
Plus E will become guna only.
It will become guna only. There's no doubt. Because itaha is a form of the indatu, but doesn't begin with H.
Okay.
So guna only. There's no doubt. What's the confusion? No confusion.
Okay.
इति अत्र गुणादेशः भवति आद्गुणः इति सूत्रेण. Right? सा एव धातोः निजन्तरूपस्य लुङ् लकारस्य प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनं is इदिदत् इत्यस्य विषये अपि अस्य सूत्रस्य प्रसक्तिः नास्ति. यथा उप प्लस इदिदत्. Iditat is a form of the dhatu, edadhatu in nijanta lung lakara. There also upa plus iditat, even though iditat is dhatu, edadhatu, but doesn't begin with H letter. Therefore, A plus
Takes only guna.
guna only, no vriddhi here.
Okay.
So this sutra is for the H adi forms of the dhatu in. It is not applicable for oo. Oo is the very shabda oot. Okay. That oot, this condition, ejadi, form, the rupam of, that is for only for the in dhatu and edadhatu. For oot is a shabda, specific shabda oot. There it is not applied. Okay. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Number 5. Asmin sutre echi eti tata echi etyoho artha indatoho h varnadi rupam tata ed dhatoho h varnadi rupam iti bhavati. That's very clear. That is why echi, the word also is important as anurti here. You have to bring it. Echi means ejadi form of the indatu. Ejadi, H varnadi form of edadhatu. यस्मिन् विधिः तदादौ अल् ग्रहणे अनया परिभाषया आदि ग्रहणं भवति. This paribhasha is not there in the sutra patam. This paribhasha is given. This paribhasha we have to see. We have to see along with another paribhasha. Tadanta vidhi, tadadi vidhi. Two vidhis are there. Tad anta vidhi, where the adesha happens, anta. And here it talks about adi, tadadi. Yasmin vidhi tadado al grahane anaya paribhashaya ude adi grahana bhavati. That we will see. We will see that later, the paribhasha along with tadanta vidhi. And this Tadadi, Tadanta Vidya, Tadadi Vidya. They have to see some important paribhasha. They have to be familiar with all these sutras. Then we can take the same sutra and we can discuss those paribhashas also. Okay, maybe after this Santi discussion, we can take that paribhasha. Okay, with this Eti Utsu is completed. So it should be clear now. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Eti
Yes, Ji. Yeah.
So the connection between Vritti and Pararupam and Pararupam is activity. Anybody having doubt, please ask. Parvati.
No, doctor. You have to revise the same.
Yeah. Are you all revising or
Yes, Ji.
Yes, sir.
asking this? Only Shravan? It's also like Upanishad, only Shravan. This you have to revise. You have to keep reading it, revising it. Krishnanji, do you study?
Yes, SC. The time I get, I do study.
Okay. You have to revise this. Otherwise, this will not stay in the mind. The confusion will be there. This will come or that will come, the clarity will not be there. You have to keep revising it for some time till it becomes clear. After that also you have to keep, otherwise the sutra will go away from the mind. If you leave some gap, then it will go. So it has to be fresh all the time. So daily you have to water it. Okay, I think we can stop here. The next one will be art test check. That we will see. We'll see that in the next class.
Matascha Vriddhi. Okay.
Simple. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಜಿ.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद जी.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ